Gauze pad on top of head to cover the wound. Using a triangular bandage, fold an inch of the base of the bandage. Put the bandage on the victim's head, just above the eyebrow. Cross both ends of the triangular bandage on the back of the head. With the tip of the bandage on the bottom, tuck in the crossing. Then bandage to the center of the forehead. Tie in square knot. Tuck in the loose end to compress against head. Pull the triangular bandage gently, then fold and tuck in to compress securely against the head.